friends! I'm Poppy, and today we'll learn how to play vocabulary words. First, choose a deck of cards matching the ability level of each player. Then, place the deck face down, and each player chooses and places a fidget mat in front of them. Players can roll the die to determine who goes first. The one with the highest number begins. The first player picks one card from the top of the deck and says the word out loud. You can make the game harder by having the player define the word or use it in a sentence, like this. Confirm! I confirm this is the best game ever! If the player says the word correctly, they can roll the die and pop down the number of bubbles rolled on the die. Like this. We got 6. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If the player does not say the word correctly, they do not get to pop any bubbles on their mat. But if the player gets a jungle rainbow card, they get to roll the die twice. If the player gets a spider card, they have to roll the die and unpop the number of bubbles rolled. Finally, the player who pops down all their bubbles first wins. And that's it!